Hi guys, this is an introductory video about Kaushalya technical training and consultancy services. Today I am going to talk about IT technical trends and the job readiness. Myself, Raghu Prasad, founder and CEO of Kaushalya Technical Training and Consultancy Services. I am an IT professional with academic experience. I have a total of 23 years of experience, out of which I worked as a lecturer for 7 years in an engineering college and 16 years as an IT professional. I'm a corporate trainer, a member of the online interview panels, as I have the unique experience of working with educational institution and the IT industry. So I know the problems faced by the academic institutions or the students coming out of the academic institutions and how they can adopt to the working at IT industry. We have centers at Jakkur, Sahkar Nagar, and Yelahanka in Bangalore. So we conduct various courses on weekdays and weekends, in person or online training. Let us look at the current status of the IT industry. IT industry is not growing as it used to be 5 years or 10 years ago. So it's growing at a rate of around 15 to 20%. And currently we see tremendous changes in the technology, and many startup companies are giving a big challenge to the big established companies. So from that perspective, the pyramid structure is not so relevant. Lean and mean structure is what is very relevant. And we are adopting agile, that is quick to market, and if you want to fail, let us fail fast. And recently, because of the restrictions in the US and other countries, Indian IT industry is undergoing a lot of changes. And emergence of the disruptive technologies, and we have seen a lot of companies, smaller companies, quickly capture the market in various segments. To name a few, WhatsApp, Uber, Ola, Airbnb, Amazon, Flipkart, various social medias, and the Netflix. Guys, now the question is, are you ready for industry or are we ready for industry? Just to quote, like recently survey conducted by an institution has come up with a statistics that around 80% of the engineers who are coming out of the college are only employable. Now the question is why? What is the reason? Even though we have so many engineering colleges and every year many people are coming out of the engineering college and they want to join the IT industry or IT related industries. But as an academician, I found a lot of problems in terms of clear cut understanding of the basic knowledge or the basic concepts, and also in depth understanding of the technical information. And we are more theory oriented than hands on. So, compared to the other countries, so there is a lack of hands on training and also other skills, soft skills like lack of communication skill, organization skill, working as a team, punctuality, critical thinking, and other than that, fear of failure, which is there for everyone. And today, there is a mismatch in the expectation of the industry and the students who are coming out of the academic institutions. And also, we find like syllabus is not regularly updated, even though technology is changing so fast. And other than that, there is a lack of opportunities for the students in the tier 2 cities. And from the tier 2 cities, a lot of engineers, a lot of computer science students are coming out. So these are the few challenges industry is facing, or the students coming out of the college are facing. So that's why the question is, are you industry ready? So students have studied, and they would have got training in most of the basic computer programming, but still, as the technology is growing fast, things are changing fast. So as per the GitHub, this is what is the most popular languages recently: JavaScript, Python, Java, Ruby, PHP, other things follows. So what we are observing is like, things are changing quick, and we have to adapt to the changing environment. And similarly, the JavaScript is emerging as a very good technology. And even though earlier it started as a front end tool or a validation tool for a form, it is growing beyond its boundary. It has there in all the three layers of the application development, namely the presentation layer, business layer, and the database layer. That's why a lot of back server side JavaScript frameworks are emerging. The Node.js and the frameworks built on top of Node.js like Express.js, Sales.js, recently Happy.js, Meteor.js. So, like a lot of changes happening in terms of the technology. As per the recent survey, these are the top 7 technical trends: Internet of Things, augmented reality, virtual reality, machine learning, analytics, automation, big data, mobility, and like everything on demand. So these are the few top trends. So now the question is, are we in line with these top trends, 7 trends? And what are the hot technical skills? One is a full stack developer. So no more a developer can say I'm only good at doing only one thing. So now the requirement is the customers wants multiple skills in a developer or in a programmer. So they want a developer to be a full stack developer, meaning he has to good at coding, presentation layer, business layer, as well as database layers. So there is, even though there are a lot of requirements for the developers, but still the quality project managers, technical or functional, also for them also there is a lot of demand is there. Similarly, cyber security area, network professional, and another area is like UI UX designers, developers, automation testers. So we are moving from manual testing into the automation testing. And with the emergence of the cloud, there's a lot of demand for the engineers, who knows cloud as well as DevOps. And with machine learning and artificial intelligence emerging, so there is a lot of demand for the machine learning and artificial intelligence as well. So how um, so in as these technical changes are happening, so we found only one thing which we have to stay in the market is we need to constantly upgrade our knowledge. So we say like only the constant is the change. So it is essential to skill, upskill, and reskill. That is what is the need of the hour. And also we have to build our profile, strong profile we have to build for ourselves, probably in the GitHub, Stack Overflow, taking lot of mock tests, working with hackathons, and be part of the hacker rank. So constantly we have to work for upgrading our skills. That's where uh, Kaushalya technical training and consultancy services is started. So we are there to help you to skill up, skill and skills. Maybe you're a beginner, or maybe a mid-level employee at a IT industry, or maybe senior professional. So we are there to help you to skill up, skill or skill. So we are offering multiple courses like web development, full stack development, using JavaScript technologies like mean or MERN, and Java related technologies, Java, Spring Boot, and then microservices, Internet of Things, test automation, Python, machine learning, and ERP. So friends, these are the few testimonials of Kaushalya technical training. So we have conducted mean training at Incornus, Chennai. And in Next Bangalore, we have conducted training on Java, SQL, and test automation. And at our own center, Jakur in Bangalore, so we are conducting multiple courses like web development, Internet of Things, test automation, mean stack. And we conduct workshop for academic institutions. Recently, we conducted workshop on Python at BGS Information Technology, Bellur, Mandya. So we conduct IoT workshop. We have conducted IoT workshop at Aspire, Chennai. Also, we are into ERP. We are conducting ERP courses for BBA students at a premier education institution in Bangalore. So, what are you waiting for? Join us www.kaushalya.tech. Thank you very much.